Ayoko napapalibutan ako ng mga lalaki.
Ako din. Kaya parang gusto ko dito muna ako sa tabi. Pero pansamantala lang.
Okay, once again, let's give a round of applause to our male candidates. Ayan.
We have 17 candidates for the male category. And we'll start with candidate number 1, right? Parang gusto ko yung may interview sa akin. Tapos isa-isahin. Pero matatagal na tayo. Okay. Sorry, hindi may candidate ako email.
Sorry,
Alright. Now, please pick your topic.
Ayan.
Oh, yes, please. Please read.
Ayan.
Alright, the hashtag that good evening Kasiguran, the hashtag that I pick is leadership. We all know that as a citizen here in Kasiguran, or in Sorsogon, I always believe that leadership is very important. We as a youth, we also have to know the leaders who are we going to vote. Because at the end of the day, they are the one who's going to lead us. They are the one who's going to make good decisions for the betterment of the Sorsogon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 1, for your time. 40 seconds not up yet. Okay, candidate number
Number
2.
2, please. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay,
So the topic is 7K Kabuhayan. So 7K Kabuhayan is a program by our very own Governor Buboy Hamor. It is very important in our province since it highlights the agriculture and fisher folks in our province. With that, I can say that this program would not only benefit them but also our beautiful Sorsogon because we have the economy that supports the families in their basic needs. And with that, I think that we cannot have just a beautiful Sorsogon, but a beautiful smile in every Sorsogan. So that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Moving on to candidate number 3. And the topic that you picked
I know,
is
those G's.
Mr. and Miss Summer Icon 2025. Mr. and Miss Summer Icon 2025 is not just a pageant. It is a celebration of diverse talent, culture, and most especially advocacy. We are here gathered together to empower the youth about our certain causes. And I am here standing in front of you because I want to empower each and every one of us to focus on ourselves, improve our mental health, and develop our skills and talent. Because when the world turns its back against us, at least we have ourselves to come.
40 seconds now.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Now let's have candidate number 4.
And the topic that you picked is...
Okay, good evening Kasiguran. The topic that I picked is about online gambling. So good evening. We all know that online gambling is very rampant nowadays. And ang government natin inilaan na batas para itigil ito at upang maiwasan ng mga paggamit ng mga ari-arian upang ibenta para isugal lamang. Ating pangalagaan ang ating dignidad, yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 4.
Number 5, please.
Yes.
And you picked.
Good evening everyone. I pick 7K Kalinigan. This project is from Governor, and upon learning this, I feel euphoric because this kind of resilient leadership is something that we should celebrate because we are surrounded by corrupted people. But this Governor Hamor has a project for all of us that he can reach the unreachable, and he will sure that 7K Kalinigan will be materialized. Thank you so much and good evening.
Candidate number 5. He smiled when he was answering. But now we have
Nagulat
no...
lang ako, napaka-brave. And you picked.
I pick blood trips
SICAP, Student Initiative Key to Action and Progress. This is really important because youth are taught how to planting trees. They're teached when it comes to community works, which is really important that a youth injected in his mind what is really essential when it comes to protecting our mother nature, our mother earth rather, because I do believe that protecting our nature is a great warrior or an armor for us to be protected by the calamities. And this is also one of the best way that a youth must possess within us. Someone that has a purpose, not just a youth, but a youth that is purposely
Thank you, number
Okay, thank you so much, number 6. Now let's move on with candidate number 7.
And to pick
Good evening, everyone. I picked Sonnet 2025. This Sonnet 2025 is not just a message or a speech for us Filipinos, but it is a message for us or the journey of how we come at this far. And this journey is the symbolizes of how the leadership of our government is guiding us towards a better future. And let us remember that the government is trying to us for us to move forward to the goal that we are aiming for. That